முருகா 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 முருகா.
The divine journey of our Tirupuzhar group in Canada began in 1982. It was January 1982 when Tara Mami and Krishnan Mama took leave from Sri Guruji Raghavan, and Guruji sent them off with his blessings, saying, "You be the ambassador for Tirupuzhar and Lord Muruga will be with you." Upon arrival in Toronto, Mami's first contact was Shanta and Krishnamurti, and when Mami expressed her desire to start Tirupuzhar classes, Shanta, who is known for her dynamism and persuasion, made it all a reality. The first class started in Mississauga around March 1982. Soon the word spread to Scarborough. I had already heard Mami at Sri Venkatraman's house, and I was in total rapture. I immediately jumped on the prospects, and in July 1982, we had the first class in the East End at Manju Panchapakesan's house. Jaya and Jagadisan had already known Mami from India, and in September 82, they had a bhajan at their house, and needless to say, many joined the classes immediately. A major breakthrough was the memorable bhajan at Scott Religious Center at York University in May 83. Mami had left for India soon after, only to return in 85. In the meantime, Mami had made such a remarkable impact that many, including Jaya Pasupati, who took all the efforts to learn Tamil, joined the group. During Mami's absence, a major sustaining force for the group came in the form of Sugandha and R.K. Murthy. Immediately upon relocating from Montreal in June 1984, they committed themselves to having every Shashti Bhajan at their house. Rain or shine, snow or sleet, the bhajan went on for the next 24 years. That is almost 300 bhajans. In their hospitality, our bhajans got a wide exposure. Mami's strong desire to bring Guruji Sri Raghavan to Toronto and introduce his heart-rendering bhajans, and himself, who is an embodiment of knowledge, grace and spiritual strength to everyone in the group and beyond, was an act of great vision and foresight. Guruji was with us for a month from April to May of 1988. Apart from several bhajans and classes in Toronto, there were memorable trips to Buffalo, Washington, Pittsburgh, New Jersey, and so on. Mami's dream came true. Her mission is a success. Tirupuzhar will be with us forever. Guruji made another memorable visit to Toronto and North America in 1990 with his wife. In 1988, Mama and Mami went off to India and returned almost 5 years later in 92. Mami's absence was a trigger for growth in many dimensions, both individually and for the group. Many took up in-depth study of Tirupuzhar. Dr. Pashupati, following the lines of his brother, started explaining the meanings of various Tirupuzhar hymns with an in-depth analysis. Myself, Jaya, Meena, Usha and Vijay Lakshmi started teaching Tirupuzhar to young students. Our chief ambassadors, Dr. Balu Iyer and Geeta Balu, who had joined in 1985, are one among our major ambassadors for Tirupuzhar. When they moved to Ottawa, the first thing they did was to gather a group of music enthusiasts and start a Tirupuzhar class, which is going strong to date. When they moved to Trivandrum, India in 2000, Balu Iyer wasted no time, and today he has over 300 students, given lecture demonstrations at universities and on television and so on. Professor Anant maximizes his visit to Singapore every year. Endowed with a profound knowledge of literary Tamil and music, he is able to take the Anbargal to a higher understanding of Arunagirinathar's work. For my part, I played a major role in transliterating the entire Tamil Isai Vazhipadu in English, and the book was released in 1996. Over 500 copies are in circulation in Canada and USA.
Student of Tirupuzhar and is learning and singing very well. So we unanimously chose Ramya Kinayam to receive our first book.
இப்போ 80 வயசு ஆகுதுன்னு ஒரு மாதிரி வயசான கதைகளில் நானும் சேர்ந்தாச்சு. ஆனால் இந்த வயசான வாழ்க்கை ஒரு வழக்கம் என்னன்னாக்கா ஏதான ஒரு காரியம் இருக்குது, அது எது சொல்லக்கூடாதோ அது சொல்லி அதை பண்ணுற வழக்கம் உண்டு.
Mommy, who's that chick in the pink? My mother and my
disciples, like Shankaracharya, Guruji also had 4 people and mommy, and it was our blessing that for a variety of circumstances, mommy showed up in Toronto and continued to be among us.
Shankar,
And
the
it's
other
such
bag.
a nice thing for all of us to enjoy, have blessing and
check the side bag.
participation. Anyway,
Sada Abhishekam, and I guess it's not going to be a Pal or a Poo Abhishekam, but I guess a Pamala Abhishekam. So I guess what I thought is I'll start off with something in Tamil. And I thought I would start off with some verses, traditional Tamil verses called Venbas, that's bound by tight grammar rules. This is written by a friend who's a mathematician and a math professor from Texas.
G is the best way னு யாரோ மாத்திருக்கா. அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டா பௌராணிகர் சொன்ன டிடிஜின்னா டொராண்டோ திருப்புகழ் குரூப்னு சில பேர் சொல்லுவா. ஆனா உண்மையை தெரிஞ்சவா சொல்லுவா டொராண்டோ தாரா கணங்கள்.
ஷஷ்டி மூர்த்தி வீட்டில் கூடி பார்ட்டி செய்வார்கள். அன்று உன் கேள்விக்கு விடை கிடைக்கும். கிழக்கே பல அன்பு பாடவும், மேற்கே பல அன்பு பாடவும், வடக்கே வீராது சக்தி பஜனையும் மரபாது கிருத்திகையும் சிவன் கோவிலில் தவறாது அருணகிரி விழாவும் அவ்வப்போது அன்பர் மலைகளில் கோலாகல பூஜையும் அங்கிருந்தபடி எங்கும் பிரகாசிக்கு திருப்புகழ் முழங்கியதே.
முருகனின் திருரூபம் மலர்ந்திட நீ செய்தாய். திருப்புகழ் எனும் தீபம் என் நெஞ்சில் ஏற்றி வைத்து. முருகனின் திருரூபம் மலர்ந்திட நீ செய்தாய். அருப்புகழின் நாதம் உயிரினில் ஊறியந்த. அருப்புகழின் நாதம் உயிரினில் ஊறியந்த. அருமுகம் திருநாமம் ஒலித்திட நீ செய்தாய். அருமுகம் திருநாமம் ஒலித்திட நீ செய்தாய்.
Just yesterday, that is November 13th, 2009, the title Tiruppugal Isai Gnani was bestowed upon Taramami in a grand function at the Varasiddhi Vinayakar temple.
ஷண்முகனே கை ஆரிரண்டுடைய ஷண்முகனே செப்பாணி குட்டிய கை ஆரிரண்டுடைய ஷண்முகனே விண்ணாருமுய செப்பாணி குட்டிய கையாரிரண்டுடைய ஷண்முகனே மேரும் புலுங்க வெண்ணாருமுய செப்பாணி கொட்டிய கையாரிரண்டுடைய ஷண்முகனே இரு நான்கு வெட்பும் அப்பாதியாய் விழ மேருவும் புலுங்க வெண்ணாருமுயம் செப்பாணி கொட்டிய கையாரிரண்டுடைய ஷண்முகனே இப்பாசனஞ்சனனை இடட்டுவாய் முருகா ஷண்முகா ஆறுமுகா இப்பாசனஞ்சனனை இடட்டுவாய் முருகா இப்பாசனஞ்சனனை இடற்றுவாய் குப்பாச வாழ்க்கையில் கூத்தாடுமைவரு கொட்படைந்த இப்பாசனஞ்சனனை இடற்றுவாய் கையாரிரண்டுடைய ஷண்முகனே இப்பாச